Hey guys, we're going on a little road trip. I have to go pick up How You Doing, and it's a little bit of a ride to get to him. And especially on a Friday night, the traffic is going to be ridiculous. Well, at least I know it always is. So I'm hoping tonight will not be the same. It is about 7:20 Friday night, and I'm supposed to be there at 7:45. See if that happens. I'm thinking it probably won't. I hate this trip. It's in a horrible neighborhood, and I'll probably get chopped up and thrown in my trunk. I'm gonna get every red light now. My truck desperately needs to be washed, but I'm kind of waiting for the pollen to stop because as it is right now, I have a nice green coating all over. I also have these lovely pieces of sap all over my windshield that windshield wiper fluid does not get rid of. So I will have to break down and get it washed eventually. It's gonna be a fun trip. It also cost me about $7 billion of gas. The gas is so insane. It cost me almost $100 to fill up my tank the other day. And red light number 3. Are you freaking kidding me? I mean, seriously, time the damn red lights. Like, am I gonna even get a chance to get to it before it changes again? No, not doing it. Not doing it. I'm not stopping again. Nope. Sorry. Okay, at least I'm changing fast. Maybe going through the 2 yellow lights. Switched up the traffic light algorithm. Is that a thing? Traffic light algorithm? I guess so, right? If you hit one perfectly, then the rest should be perfect the rest of the way. At least if it's on the same road. Okay, take that back. There's no algorithm. Just freaking every second damn red light. It's like this sporadically just go red. Yes, I have bad road rage because I hate this damn trip. I hate it. Oh my word. And I didn't want to be my chauffeur because I'm done driving. It's all fun when you get your license. I can't stand it. All those people that like to go on long rides, I give you a lot of credit. I hate being in the car. I really do. Going over there. Dunkin' Donuts getting robbed. I wouldn't be surprised if they just put their lights on because I've seen it before just to get into the parking lot. Oh, it's a red light. Can you believe it? Can you believe there's a red light again? Seriously, I would have preferred to pay $40 for an Uber than to take this ride. Yep, Red Light Island. That's what this is. And traffic and speed cams. I don't know why there's so many speed cams. How could you speed when there's a red light at every stop? Every traffic light is a red light. Where are you speeding to? Oh, let's go, Mitsubishi. Make your turn. This beauty. Maxima, come on. Go home. Watch a movie. Oof, I smell weed. Look at the people just hanging out on the corner smoking. Jeez. I was putting an ad in their windshield. That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen. Oh no, this one wants to turn. Yep, 7:40. You're there in 5 minutes. Okay, yeah. I'm lucky if I get there by 8 o'clock. Really? What's your music blasting? I don't have my music on, but now I gotta listen to this guy's. Freaking idiot. It's not a parking spot. I'm so glad I got another red light. It's like I haven't gotten one in 5 seconds. Not just pastrami. Why would you name a store that? Not just pastrami? As you could tell, I don't come this way very often. Because I hate it here. I hate it. Oh, okay, New Jersey. Feel free to cut me off. Really? I mean, did I need a brake sensor? Did I not see the car there? How about, I don't even remember where I'm supposed to turn. How about that? You guys enjoying this ride? Because I'm not. I don't even know how you can enjoy it. Well, maybe because you're home watching it. It's coming up. Is it? Yeah. Alright guys, I'm like a block away. 7:50. By the time I get to him, it'll be another 2-3 minutes. What are you gonna do? See you all soon. So now I'm waiting for him to come out after they get the keys made. And yeah, I'm parked in the front along with the other 82 cars, so I don't even want to hear it. I'm in no freaking mood. Because now I'm getting hungry. So let's just watch this nice man water these plants while we wait. Holy, what the heck are you beeping about? What is this thing? Can I see the side of this box? Wow, perfect fit. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna find this honker and rip them out of the car. What the heck is taking him so long? Is he making keys for the entire neighborhood? I was waiting for you to come out here.
I don't know what you're talking about. I put in the back seat.
Right, but I was waiting for you to come out these doors.
No, you gotta come out the other ones.
What you got?
I got my keys, I got the bracelet for my keys, and I need gloves.
A bracelet?
Maybe I can't lose them no more.
So you're gonna wear a key bracelet.
Right. So what else is doing? Oh, you filming?
Yeah, why'd you have to touch the screen?
I know that. Are you taking me to Kohl's?
Yeah, you want to go to Kohl's?
No,
I didn't even know there was a Sephora in there. When did that happen?
Where did you see the Sephora?
Hello, there's a big sign. Kohl's Sephora.
Maybe that's new. Oh,
I thought Sephora was only in JCPenney's. I didn't know they were in Kohl's too.
no.
Someplace else you need to go?
Yeah, I need food.
Okay.
You should feed me, knowing I give you my whole paycheck.
Yeah. Well, what food?
I don't know. Where are we gonna pass?
Checkers. Do we like Checkers?
No, we don't like checkers. We had that one time. You didn't like it. Just pass all the good food.
What? Tell me what was good.
I don't know.
Where do we pass that was good?
7-Eleven.
Oh, 7-Eleven you want to eat in?
I need a big gulp.
Now you're not going to pass anything.
Whatever.
So now it'll be whatever's on the way home.
Oh my God! Where you got the heat on?
I lowered the freaking heat. Yeah, cool, okay? Don't cry.
We can't. If we only could go cool, go fit. We put the AC on.
We don't need the AC. It's 57 degrees outside.
Yep. Quality entertainment.
What exit did you want me to get off?
Why didn't you get off by the bus terminal?
There's no exit to get off at the bus terminal.
Yes, there is.
No, there isn't.
Oh, that's the other one. Well, Halal Food Truck.
I thought you can't pay credit card.
No, I got cash.
What do I get on this truck?
Chicken, halal chicken, halal rice. Comes with the lettuce and tomatoes, and they squirt the white sauce and some barbecue sauce.
The white sauce is meaning what? Tzatziki?
Tzatziki sauce. Oh, we're not even by the truck. I'm thinking we got off the other exit. Oh yeah, we gotta pass it anyway.
Isn't there a Greek place over here?
No, I don't like it though.
There's nothing in this parking lot you like to eat?
Which one?
Right here.
What's in here?
I don't, the Greek place, Chinese place, I don't know what else is.
No, I want the Arabic food.
Where am I getting that?
It's right when we pass the bus terminal. By Country Donuts. The truck is outside.
It better be good. You make me get stuff and I hate it.
Oh my god, you're not gonna hate it. It's like that guy you watch. What's her name's boyfriend?
Matter.
Chantel's boyfriend. No, it's good. For me to eat that, it's good.
How about you get the halal? I'll get McDonald's.
Alright.
What kind of rice does this truck have?
It's good.
And you don't think the spice is on that?
No, it's the best rice. I'm telling you, you'll like it. Or get McDonald's and I'll get that.
I gotta go make a ride over here.
I don't even know if the truck is still here. The truck is usually over here.
Oh, no, I don't even know if the truck
Oh,
is
it's right
here.
there. Go to. Oh yeah.
Going to where?
Yeah, the truck is right there. Look at the line. People waiting to get food sauce. Or you put hot sauce.
Does he have a menu?
No, you don't have a menu.
I want to see what's on the truck. I have to just go buy those little pictures he has?
Yeah, that's whatever he has in the picture, that's what he has in the truck. Oh my god, I wouldn't make you eat this.
Is this truck food expensive?
I take $7 for a dish. I don't think you can turn here.
Yeah, right here.
Oh. See if you have a spot in front of the truck. No.
Oh, I probably couldn't even make that turn.
Right.
I'll get another ticket in this same damn area.
And then we have to go to court and then show up the cops.
I feel like I need a donut.
Look at the line. The truck's gotta be good. They wait online to get this food. This is how good it is. And I know what to get you. Let the line go down a little. So let this line calm down. If I eat it, you're gonna eat it. You should know that by now.
I could be eating nuggets at this point.
Comes in a powder like that. I will be back. Let me ask him if he takes credit card so he can laugh at me.
Everything went up. Maybe his prices increased.
That guy makes more money than stores.
hope it was worth it waiting on that line.
It is. This food, I'm telling you. Can you get out this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it smells good.
I'm telling you, $10 a dish.
See, I told you he went up.
Yeah, they were like $7, but they're $10 a dish. But the food is just good. You gotta go this way.
I am. I am just yellow light tonight. Friday night yellow light.
Stop at that gas station for a minute.
Oh my word, what do you need now?
Didn't you want orange soda?
Well, why didn't you just get it on the cart?
They didn't have orange soda. See, you're letting the people go. You go to Halal Food, you go to Sunoco, you get an orange soda at Sunoco. I'll be right out.
Ay, ay. So this is what he got. This is what? Chicken over rice. And then he also got fried fish over french fries. So it's about 9:30 p.m. now, and we're going to eat. And I'll see you all later. Bye. Say bye.